In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video in Zoom meeting on laptop with audio. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to record. On Zoom, only the host or someone the host has allowed can start a recording. If you see the option grayed out, you may need the host to enable recording for you or make you a co-host. If you're starting your own meeting, you have that permission by default. Go ahead and join or start the call. Along the toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window, look for the record option. If your window is narrow, some buttons collapse under the More button with 3 dots. Click More to reveal additional controls, then choose Record. As soon as you click Record, Zoom begins capturing the meeting. You'll see a small indicator showing that recording is in progress. Next to the Record button, click the small caret, or upward arrow, to open Record Settings. This is where you can fine-tune how your recording is saved on your laptop. In the Settings window, choose the folder where you want Zoom to save your files. Picking a dedicated folder makes them easier to find later. If you work with an external drive, make sure it's connected and has enough space, because video recordings can be large. While you're here, click Advanced Settings. If you plan to edit later or want clearer control over who sounds like what, enable the option to record separate participant audio files. This tells Zoom to create an individual audio track for each person who speaks, which is extremely helpful for cleaning up background noise or balancing volume in post-production. That's really all you need to start recording with audio. As long as your microphone and speakers are working in Zoom, the recording will include both the video and the sound. If you're not hearing others during the call, check your audio device in Zoom's audio menu before you begin recording so you capture everything you need. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Let participants know you're recording so everyone is comfortable, and keep an eye on free storage space to avoid interruptions. If the record button ever seems missing, expand the Zoom window or look again under More. With permissions confirmed, the record button selected, your save location set, and separate audio tracks enabled if you want them, you're all set. Your meeting will be recorded to your laptop exactly where you chose, complete with audio.